Ensure, yeah.
It tastes nice.
This.
Hold it to the glove spot, my youth. What?
Oh my gosh. Y'all are insane. I look cute on this camera.
Okay, so I think I'll do time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Magnetfishingjamaica. I'm here with Noel, aka Vogue Boss, and I'm here with Claud. And we're here in Portmore and Back Road. Yeah, but this is what we're doing today. We're magnet fishing. So we're going to throw something inside the water and see what we can find.
No, because alright, so today we use one of the new magnet them. The other one gets stuck at flat bridge. We soon go rescue that one there. But for now, this way I use.
Where's that?
You could have rescued the small one tonight because I'm one that time I miss it, you know.
Alright, so we're going to rescue the smaller magnet tonight at Flatbridge. It's still dead here, stuck in the water.
But hopefully nobody will take it up already.
Y'all can rescue that tonight. Y'all can drop me off. I'm not going to Flatbridge that night. I'm not going to Flatbridge that night. The mermaids are going to take me away. You see I got on nice jewelry. They're going
to put her up on the golden table and sew her up. So
what's that?
Mermaid thingy.
I don't never know.
Yeah.
But I'm not, y'all going to Flatbridge, y'all drop me off.
Lamp on the magnet.
You know, look where I get this, I pull up things so.
Because it feels light and I don't feel like I pulled up anything.
Look, I saw, watch her.
What? I can't see nothing. What? I can't see nothing. It's the motherfucking Ensure.
First find of the day.
First find of the day, is it? Yeah. This is not no murder weapon, but this is Ensure on Back Road.
Back Road Portmore.
Back Road Portmore finally caught it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is it.
And I'm going to pour up with our Ensure.
I gotta drink that.
Yeah.
For the sake of the video, I want to make sure nobody watching me though.
I'm still a good man.
I know, but I don't want, you know what I'm saying? That's just Ensure, yeah.
And it tastes nice.
This. I like this.
Alright.
It tastes like if you crush up cereal and put it into milk and blend it up and then drink it all at once.
Yeah.
No, you know what? The aftertaste is decent though. But you know it's hot too. It's not like it's like cold. It's hot.
It's nice when it's cool, man.
Probably.
Why never think about
Oh, wait. You say
No, I can't choose my seat right there.
So you like Ensure? So why you never drink the Ensure?
Ready?
Yeah, Chona.
Are we doing it at the same time?
No,
You
that's
can't
sure.
be like me? You can't be like me.
All aboard!
Wait.
Watch your foot on it.
No,
Don't hold it.
So just let it go?
Just let it go. Cause if not, this one I just run your hand and
That's how I get the gloves.
cut you.
Oh.
Yeah. So once I throw it, just let it go. Gravity will do the rest.
So me and I do not work today. I film them basically.
I know, how the ropes, how it feel?
It's kind of heavy, but it's not that
Go down a
bad.
little bit more
It's
from
not
Claud.
like the, huh?
Go down a bit more from Claud.
Nothing.
That's how I'm supposed to throw it out.
Nothing.
Watch this, don't make it stick to this.
$10.
I'ma see.
$10.
Oh, you're trying
$10.
Alright.
Hold on to that, right?
Just throw it tie. See there? You're supposed to throw it out towards Anna. Anna.
Huh?
You're supposed to throw it out.
I'm not a good thrower.
No, but do this. You can. What about that? What about?
Okay.
God, what one?
Nothing.
Yeah, I have to take a choke and the body not fine now. So after Anna pull up this, I'm going to take a choke.
Ooh. Ooh. Banana man.
No, I feel like it have nothing yet.
They looking like, what are y'all doing? They staring like
Huh?
For this video, we'll give Noel 1,500 likes. Okay, so he pulled up the magnet and oh, what's that?
$10.
$10. $10. We got $20. You be saving the money that you get?
Yeah.
So how much you have all together? Like 100 now?
Huh?
How much money you got all together? Like 100 now?
$4,000 silver.
$1,000?
Yeah.
That's good. $1,000, y'all. That's like 2 million US dollars. Like nah. A thousand Jamaican dollars is like 6 US dollars. It's 6 US. Oh. Let's see. Look at the birds. Merry Christmas.
Everybody dead when Christmas. Once it is start, sha-la-la-la-la.
Fishing hook. Christmas time has come again.
So because the breeze blows so hard, my magnet treat light, the one here light, keep the, it's like it blow the card forward, it's like keep the magnet like this. So I go to the side and throw it from the side and see what can happen. Yeah. Alright, so I'm doing here, so. We're there on the other side now. I'm going to throw from here, so, because this seems more better for me. Look like it's too heavy. Look like it's too heavy, man. They on it now. It's on it now. It's stick on it now. Yeah. Yeah, but it's stick on it, man, but it come off easy. Yeah, the current of the water push the thing inside. Yeah. One more boat come. I try to put my magnet on it.
On bicycle?
Yeah. On bicycle wheel.
See it on there, so weird.
On bicycle there, that's a dog.
See it.
I hear man, that best man take up. Somebody save him, man, Claud.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, save it. My magnet stuck on the chain.
I got no realize.
So look at me if I go down there and take it out. Eh?
How you get down there?
Go down more and climb over. Yeah. Alright, Claud, I come help you. Just come down, Claud.
Sick. Now come down with this.
Yeah. As you can see, we find a bicycle. We find a bicycle so far. And a sign there right beside the bicycle. But it now stick to the magnet somehow. So we have to go down there and take it out. First, I'm gonna take out this first. What? What's something? It stick to it in about. You don't have enough surface area.
Yeah.
You see?
That's a good find.
Yeah.
See that? Good find. Yo!
I want to crab the pan it.
Which one?
I just feel nasty. I just steam a while ago.
Oh, the man get an entire bicycle, man.
Is the car good?
Yeah. Yeah, tell me about me.
Alright. Ah! God, it's heavy, man, Claud. How are we want this now? Ah! Ah, man. I'll take out the sign next.
Yeah, that's what I take out. But I say, I'm just jam it right there, sir.
Alright.
No, you put that door.
I walk on with it, if that. Alright, so we have a sign right there up on the ground. So we now got it too heavy for bring from here, so from the stone, go all the way up on the bridge. So we go. So we attach the magnet to it now. Then we'll go up on the bridge and pull it all the way up. Because it's too heavy. This is already too heavy for carry, so you know. Ah! God, where you gone? Ah!
This feel well, Claud.
Ew, that thing stings, y'all. Y'all gotta bring it up, and it got all mold on it. Y'all sure? They are insane. There's no way I would be touching that. Bro, it's no way I would put my hand on it. Would y'all touch that?
Yeah, this feels nasty.
I don't even know how you touching that. I would not be touching that. Mind your hand just fall off.
Ow.
I don't know what's the purpose of this thing. I don't know what the purpose of like.
I'll beat down there, sir.
That down there, sir?
No, I don't think that's for now.
You can't put that too.
Oh!
Big find.
Come back, Claud.
Oh my God! Wait there. We need leverage. We need leverage. You want to give me that rope there? Alright, good.
I even see him here.
Alright. That's it.
Lift up, huh?
You want it to buy? Yeah, man, I want it. That's 15 grand, that's too much.
That's not too much money.
We have 5 now.
Me pay for buy it.
Huh?
Me pay for take it. Ready to call it, take everything about you.
Oh my gosh. Y'all are insane. Y'all see them? Something wrong with them. But nah, but oh my gosh. But y'all see how that liquid magnet is pulling up that sign? Noel, you gonna put this inside the car? You gonna put this inside the car? No. Thank God. They stink.
Ready? You don't want to come over like this?
No.
Noel, they wanna buy it?
Yeah.
You wanna sell it?
No, I'm joking, man.
Now forget leverage like this. Ready?
Yeah.
Ah, wait. Ah.
So I'm telling you, I better you come over in the dog.
I don't want to come over, sir, brother. Fuck ready.
Ready?
Yeah. Ah.
Ooh.
Yeah, there.
Ready? I know you show the thing where I lift up.
Can see it.
Eh? Pull it, pull it,
Ready?
pull.
Wait. Wait there, boy. Wait there. Wait, I'm help you. I know what it.
Me good enough?
No man, you have to help you, dad.
Me good. Are you?
Listen to me now, man.
But tell you something good. Are you if you pull it up, dog?
Charge.
And me I will wait, you know.
Leave yourself. Let help you, dad. Let help you, charge. Can't let it go now. Can't let it go. Let it go now.
I can't hold this one. I can let go. I can let go.
Where the door?
Boy, God, no, God. Dog, hold on. Try to something, dog. Try to something, my youth.
No, wait.
Try the thing.
Wait, my youth.
Yeah, this.
Alright, can't let it go. Let's go,
Hold
man.
on.
Can't let it go.
Let it go. Hold it.
Woo!
Woo!
God! Woo!
No, sir.
Yeah, this rough. Look on the knot what we have to do.
Yo.
And this key that look right as I say, they let it go. Rope strong enough say, nah, go through. Same thing with this, strong enough say, nah, go through.
Alright.
Yo, my finger them.
Yo, my hand, a while ago when you let it go, the whole of the weight come from me one. I'ma feel it a while ago.
You got a lot of storage?
Huh?
You have a lot of storage?
Yeah.
What? Do it.
Wait. I'm gonna swing it out now. Hold it. One more pull and then we tighten it again, then I hold it and bring it up. We can hold it now, but I want to make sure I bring it up some more first.
Yeah, man, you need more like this. Ja. Hey, Peter.
Ready again?
Wait there. Just wait there. Man, yourself, you don't want to wrap this around, so.
No, it good.
No, you. For wrapping
No,
around
me
yourself.
good. Let me happy with myself.
Oh, so that, yeah.
Yeah, I'm mad. Now I for myself.
So you have leverage, just tie on. It's ready.
Yeah. No, hold it, Claud, hold it, don't. Hold it to the glove spot,
Wait,
Hold it to the glove spot, my youth. Hold it. Claud, you have to get a hold of this. We can't hold it to that when we be here by itself.
No, wait, I'm tight this.
You have it? Hold it to
Yeah,
it.
I have it, man. I have it.
Oi!
Yo, boy, it's rough there.
It's rough. I pull it up here, just tighten the two of them.
Ah, go on. Lift.
You can't lift this from my hand, dog. Ready?
Go on. You lift it up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tight one.
You have it? We need 2 cups now. We literally cannot hold this.
Yo, it's rough, man. It's rough. It's rough, dog. At least this guy end up with it, though.
Ready
I
video?
got 2 more.
One, find more, one more something.
Like,
That's time I go hold it, so.
Y'all see the, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
what? Come over. Hold it, man. Come over. Come over, boy. Come over, boy. See, angle there. Take up the angle. Take up the GoPro angle. Lift over, lift. Lift over the
Oi! Yeah, you can come up now. It's not the hardest thing I've ever done in my life.
Try see if we can take it down.
Mission complete. It's not the hardest thing I ever lift out of the water. No joke.
Yo. See that? Full strength right now. That's it. Yeah.
Alright, I believe must have a bicycle here, so. Make that stay here, man. Right, I'll be if I can now move. Alright people, so that's a wrap for today. We couldn't find nothing more. Well, we're running out of time because the sun I got down now and everybody tired and hungry. So that's a wrap for today. This is how we'll find. Me and Claude find that bicycle here. And we'll find this. We don't even know what its name. We don't even know what a sign and name, but it's a street sign, more like it come from somewhere nearby.
However, this is the end of the video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching till this part. If you did manage to watch it to this part, leave a comment down below in the description and say, hey, done or well done, guys. You see me? Comment that if you finish it, if you finish and you reach to this part. So comment well done, guys. Zine. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. Like, share and subscribe. Remember, subscribe, it helps us, it helps the channel, it helps us all. Like, make sure you give it a thumbs up, you see me? And oh yeah, check out my channel as well at Claud A. Watkins Vogue. Will link it down in the description and probably pop up on the screen here. Vogue, make it pop up on the screen. Alright, it now will pop up on the screen. So it will link down below in the description. Make sure to check out my page and channel because I'll be doing a lot of awesome content. Just go over there and say, yo, Claude, big up yourself. So take care, everybody. See you guys soon. Peace. Oh yeah, no, listen.
Wow.
Peace.
Peace.
Peace.